What's quickest in a drag race? A tuned Audi R8 V10 Performance, a tuned Nissan GTR, or a tuned Porsche 911 Turbo S 992 generation? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to drag race them over the standing quarter mile. Because I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. Buy, sell, Carwow. Now let me tell you about this Audi R8 V10 Performance. You see, normally the car has a 5.2 litre naturally aspirated V10 which puts out around 620 horsepower and 580 newton meters of torque. But Whifbitz tuning company has decided to do a little bit of work to it. They've fitted a twin turbo kit and a standalone ECU. The result is 950 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque. Oh yeah. You've still got quattro wheel drive, you've still got 7 speeds in the dual clutch automatic gearbox, and you've still got launch control. And this car weighs in at a similar 1,595 kilos as the standard car. Bit more expensive because of the turbo kit. It's an extra £50,000 on top of the price of this car. Let's find out about the GTR. Hello Yanni, how are you?
Young Matthew, I am good mate, and there's 3 nice toys here. First of all, can I appreciate the wrap on the far right? Like, it's not, I didn't do it, but it's actually a nice wrap. So, Nissan GTR 3.8 V6 twin turbo, 6-speed dual clutch, 4-wheel drive. They've told me on race fuel this is 1,200 horsepower, but I'm not running race fuel, so I'm only 1,000 horsepower, which I'm still pleased with that. 1,100 newton meters, weighs around 1,860, and it's JM Imports vehicle. Thank you very much for letting me drive it.
What's the price of it?
So they told me the conversion's around 50k, so this car's what, 125?
All right, so what have they done exactly? Have they like upgraded the turbos, ECU, or is there some more stuff done in the engine? I imagine not.
Haven't got a Scooby-Doo. Haven't got that much information yet. All I know is it looks fast, it sounds fast, and we're gonna see if it's fast. And obviously, officially gassed over there, Jamie talks a good game. I know he's in the excuses business.
Leave it out, leave me alone.
So let's go to you then, Jamie, because on paper, your car has the least power. So tell us about your car.
So it's a 3.8 litre, flat 6, twin turbo, PDK gearbox, 4-wheel drive, 888 horsepowers. And I think the GTR is more than he's letting on.
Really? Okay. How much torque have you got?
I've got 1,000 newton meters of torque.
Fair amount of torque there. So I'm down on torque, but I'm up on power compared to you. What's the weight of your car?
So mine weighs in at 1,640 kg.
But the best bit, how much is the price of the tune? The upgrades.
Okay, so this is running the ES Motor 750 package, and that comes in at £16,500.
So it's the cheapest tune, though your car is more expensive to begin with, though, isn't it? How much do you pay for your car?
So I think I bought it when cars were a little bit more expensive over the whole crazy period, and I paid near on 190 for mine.
What I'm going to do now is flash up a comparison chart of all the stats for the cars as we're running them now, so you can compare all the details at your leisure by pausing the video. So if you want to do that, pause the video. I just want to say a huge thanks to JM Imports, to ES Motor, and of course to Whifbitz for sorting us out these cars. And we're going to see which one performs the best. But before we do, if you're thinking about selling your car, you can do it through Carwow. Right? All you have to do is upload some photos of your car, give a brief description, then dealers all across the country will bid on it. Just pick the one that gives you the highest offer. They'll come to your house, take the car away, put the money into your account. It's easy. Now if you want to do that right away, just click on the pop-out banner up there, follow the link in the description below. Alternatively, you can just Google "Help Me Carwow" and we will help you sell your car. Now, let's do the customary Carwow sound check to see which of these cars sounds the best. So I'm going to start off with this R8. Oh! Wow.
This sounds mighty. Yanni, let's hear what you got.
Come on.
That's good, that's good. And finally then, Jamie, let's hear your Porsche. Oh, you're all about the pops and the bangs. But on the revs, I think this wins.
No, he's got the pops and the bangs. My revs win.
I'm revving to almost 9,000 RPM. Where are you getting up to? Only about 6 or 7.
I'm all the way around, mate. I'm at 8.
Ooh, yeah, maybe you did win that. Do it again. I think you might have just lost a piston ring at the back of your car. Either that or you're running on diesel.
Oopsie daisy, sorry about that.
Okay, let's get on with the race and hopefully your car will still work after that. Jamie, you have some doubts as to whether that GTR is really running only 1,000 horsepower. Is that correct?
Yeah, well, I'm not gonna lie, I've seen that exact car making 1,100 at the wheel. I feel like I smell some exotic fuel right now, but it might be something else.
Exotic fuel and well, we're going to find out now, because if we get absolutely hammered, we'll know that something's amiss.
3, 2, 1.
Come on! Let's go! Here we go! Here comes that GTR! Oh my God! Here we go! Yes!
You were a bit slow off the line, Yanni, but then you just absolutely motored past me. But the question is, did you beat Jamie?
We always knew he was going to get a better launch because he's in a Porsche. But once this gets going, see ya! See ya!
Why though?
I do smell race fuel.
Do you, Jamie?
Mate, that's all I could smell.
It definitely feels like I'm in the paddock. Let's go again, because I don't think this did what it was supposed to do. It felt really strong, then it like tailed off halfway through.
Right, so this is what the guy's saying about the fuel. Tell me.
So it's fresh off the dyno, so there may be a small amount of left in.
Because these lot are saying they can smell it and they're saying it's race fuel.
Well, I smelt it earlier on, but I didn't prep the car, so
So what are we saying? Is it race fuel or not?
it smells like it.
Okay, so there you go.
Yeah, see, Jamie?
You trusted your gun, you were right.
I live around this stuff. I live and breathe it, and I know ethanol when I smell ethanol.
We don't know how much horsepower that's putting out then, if it's a mixture of E85 and just normal pump fuel.
Well, they're saying it's 1,200 with full race fuel, 1,000 without, so we can call it 1,100.
Let's go. Yanni, gotta beat ya. I'm ready.
Right, come on, R8.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Come on!
It's there, like dies there.
He's coming!
This is amazing!
I think I've got less horsepower than I said I had.
Yanni's got more than he said he had. Jamie? You got Porsche horsepower, which has been tuned by ES and yeah.
It's doing the job, isn't it? Did you win?
I don't know, it was so close on that one, but I definitely put up a fight. If not, I might have edged it there.
So, did you win the first race or did Yanni?
Yanni won the first race, unfortunately.
Do you want to call it one each, Yanni, and go for a decider? I'm just a spectator, just breathing in ethanol fumes back here.
I'm happy to go again just to race this again. Your launch was insane, by the way. I'll give you that incredible launch. And Matt, just thanks for being here, mate. It's me and Jamie's show today, isn't it?
I know I kind of have to be here because it's carwow, but to be fair, I could just, you know, not take part really.
3, 2, 1.
It's a great launch. Oh, it feels better.
I nailed that launch. It was still quicker.
Come on! Oh my God, he's coming!
So Yanni, tell me what happened. I got off the line pretty well. I think Jamie might even have been a little bit ahead of me. You were behind off the line, but did you come back and beat him?
I thought I'd done a really good launch, yet you two both killed me off the line. However, this car's fast. And I just went,
Pass, Jamie. Bye-bye. See you later.
Oh
See you later.
man.
So I win.
I think we just need to check something. Can you just open the fuel filler cap?
where is the fuel filler cap on this? Where's the button? Is there a button? No.
I can smell it from here.
I can smell it from
I can smell it from here. Don't breathe that in, you'll drop dead.
Smell it.
Oh my. That's at least 1400 brake horsepower I'm smelling in there.
That is race fuel, isn't it?
It's spicy. It's spicy.
I'm dying in here, mate. Honestly, it smells
here.
so bad in here. It's terrible in here. I'm gonna have the windows open. It's bad. When I got in the car and they were doing the cameras up, I was like, it smells really bad in here, doesn't it? Now we know why.
Okay.
There you go.
Right.
Cheeky.
It's all right to win when you're cheating, isn't it? Like, you know what I mean? Come on, I'm the real winner in this thing.
Now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars are in their comfort setting, automatic mode of the gearbox. Race to the half mile. I'm going to call it in now. 3, 2, 1, go. Don't know what that GTR's doing.
The Audi's there.
That wasn't so good, Yanni.
Dropped a gear, didn't go anywhere. It dropped another gear, didn't go anywhere. And then eventually it started to pull like nothing, like zero. This gave me 0.
It's really funny because this car that didn't perform in the drag race, now I'm driving it normally, not launching it. It was actually giving really good power, though not enough power to beat Jamie. Jamie, you just went so far up the runway because you absolutely battered us all.
Yeah, just the Turbo S doing Turbo S things, I guess. Just taking the win, doing it without cheating, I guess.
Okay, right, let's...
Take the gearbox, kick down shenanigans out of the equation. Let's do it in gear.
Right, I'm going to be honest with you on this, yeah. He's told me I can hit my cancel button, it will give me boost and then allow me to launch midway through.
Well, you can do whatever you want to do.
Sounds like more cheating to me.
It doesn't matter, you're in race fuel, do whatever. Now we have a rolling race, once again from 50 miles an hour. Third gear, manual mode, sportiest settings. Race to the half mile, let's do it. I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go. Oh, red light, no.
Now this is going.
Ah!
Am I going to beat the G? I'm going to beat everyone. Oh my God, Yanni, it looks like your bonnet's going to fly open, but I totally won that.
Mate, I bounced it off red line so hard in third, I think it was. That's the only reason you took that one.
Yanni, what happened to you?
I dropped the walkie-talkie and I couldn't hear you.
Oh, what? I thought I'd won then, and now you say no, I bounced off the limiter, I couldn't hear anything, and let's run it again. So disappointed. Jamie, do you promise to change up when you're supposed to change up?
I'm gonna try my best,
Yanni, do you promise
To hold on to your radio so you can hear me say go.
I'm going to try my best.
Okay, get level.
3, 2,
1, go.
It's forever.
This is going now. Oh God, here comes the GTR. Is he going to catch me before the half mile? Well, Jamie, your car is putting in a really good show. This is inconsistent with whether it's delivering maximum boost or not.
Yeah, man, I got it right that time. I hit my shifts.
Yanni, you only just beat me.
Yeah, I don't know. I can't work it out. I don't know if it's the cancel button. I don't know if it's third gear. Something's not right. I don't know what it is. I can't work it out.
So for all the talk about your secret method of cancel button and whatever it does, boost builds or whatever, that just didn't work. It's like some kind of anti-lag that was more anti than anti-lag.
I'm not going to lie. I would like to run it without me using the cancel button and see what it does.
All right. Final go.
No more goes. This is it, Yanni. Let's go.
Everyone level. 3, 2, 1, go.
Don't launch. Change its gear.
Come on.
Where's that GTR? I think your cancel button helped you out, to tell you the truth, because that time you were nowhere.
Do you want to know why? 4th gear. Can you believe it? I don't understand what this car's doing. I put it in 3rd gear, floor it, goes to 4th gear. I don't get this car. Like, it's weird.
Yeah, I'm bored now. Let's do something else. Right, brake test from 100 miles an hour. Now, if you'd rather watch another drag race with some crazy tuned cars, click on the pop-out banner up there, follow the link in the description below. If not, stay here. It's going to happen. I'm going too quick here. Got carried away. Here we go, here comes the line.
It's too easy.
First of all, let's go to Jamie. You won by some margin, so much of a margin that I'm not sure whether you actually braked a little bit too soon.
Do you know what? I'm looking at how much I beat you guys by and I'm questioning myself too, but I feel like I braked on time, but I might be wrong.
Yanni, anything for you to say? There usually is.
I've got a headache. I had to put both my windows down. Honestly, it's brutal in here. Like, no excuses. I won the drag race, failed everywhere else. The drag race is the only one that counts, as you keep telling me, young Matthew.
I actually haven't said that in a long time because I haven't won many, but oh my gosh. Anyway, huge thanks to the guys that have sorted us out these cars. Their links are in the description, so huge thanks to them. Can we all just head down there, because I want to just try something.
Danny, I want you to jump into my R8, okay?
Jamie, you're dismissed.
Fair play, it's been good fun.
Thanks for coming. Just got to find something out though. What we're going to do now is a race between this turbo R8 and my standard naturally aspirated R8. We're going to do a 2nd gear rolling race, sport setting, manual mode, from around 40 to 45 miles an hour. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this is definitely quicker. Definitely quicker, just not as quick as that Porsche or that GTR when it does its thing correctly. However, let's do a drag race.
3, 2, 1.
That showed the difference, didn't it?
When I looked over, it looked like your bonnet and your front 2 wheels had come off the tarmac. That looked mad.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Nissan won. It took 9.8 seconds to do the quarter mile. The Porsche took 9.9 seconds and the Audi was last with a time of 10.1 seconds. Meanwhile, my standard R8 Spider took 11 seconds to do the quarter mile.
Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. Click on those windows there for some more videos, and on that box there to go to CarWow to sell your car the easy way. Thanks for watching.